the same bulb here, right? LED. Where is our LED here? Let us take this LED, right? So whereas in this LED we have two legs. How many legs?
Two legs.
Two legs. Here if you can see very clearly that one is long and one is short. One leg is long and one leg is short. This long leg indicates positive and short leg indicates negative. Right? So whereas in this battery you have red color mark, that is positive, and black color mark, it is negative. Right? If you connect it directly, what happens? What happens? Definitely. Come here. Here positive with positive and here negative, right? If you connect it like this, what happens? It's burned, right? This arrow mark is important. Symbol of LED is this one, right? So LED is nothing but light emitting diode, right? Light emitting diode. How it look like? It will look like this. Come on, this is LED, light emitting diode, and this LED will have two legs. How many legs? Two legs. One is positive and one is negative. Now tell me which side is the positive? Long leg is a positive and short leg is a negative, right? We have how many volts of battery? 6 volts of battery. If you connect it directly, what happens? It will glow? No. What does it will do? It will get burned. Then what you have to do now? Very good answer. You have to connect a resistor. Then how many ohms of resistor you have to use? How many ohms of resistor you have to use? 1T. 1T ohms of resistor? No. Right, very good. We should not connect 1 ohms of resistor to this 6 volt battery. Again we have to do the same formula. Right, let us do the calculation here. So how many volts we have? 6 volts. Right? How much current we require here? 20 milliamps of current. How many milliamps of current we require? 20 milliamps. Okay, ma'am? Okay, who will tell us about this 20 milliamps? How we know about this 20 milliamps? See, 6 volts, it is mentioned very clearly here, we have 6 volt battery. Right? The manufacturer means who manufactured the LED. Right? He tells us that it requires 20 milliamps of current to glow. Okay, ma'am? So how many milliamps of current we require here? 20 milliamps. If you convert this 20 milliamps into amps, then the value will be 0.02 amps, right? So V is equal to 6 and I is equal to 0.02, right? Then what will be the R value? Let us find. So V is equal to I into R. We are finding the R value, so R is equal to V by I. So R is equal to V is 6 divided by what is I value? 0.02. Then R will be 300 ohms. How many ohms? 300 ohms. Right? So how you got this answer 300 here? Anyone? Who will do this? Come. Very good. Very good. Right? Instead of doing all this, You can use calculator. You can use calculator, right? If you don't have calculator, then you have to follow these steps. Okay. So finally, you got the answer is 300. Right? So 300 ohms of resistor you have to use. How many ohms of resistor you have to use? 300 ohms. Okay. So I will give you one resistor. Here we have a resistor. Here we have a resistor. And the value of this resistor is 300. No. What is the value of this resistor? We don't know. Right? Why? Because, see, I'll tell you. We have 6-volt battery. We have an LED. Right? And what we require now? Resistor. Even we have a resistor also. But how can you say that this resistor value is 300? Definitely we have to use 300 ohms of resistor. The resistors start with 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 0.5 ohms also. Right? 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohm resistor, 40 ohm resistor, 1000 ohm resistor, right? 1 mega ohm resistor, 2 mega ohm resistors. So we have different ohms of resistors. We have different values in resistors. Okay, ma'am? So this resistor is 100 ohm resistor. How many ohms of resistor it is? 100 ohm resistor. Right? How can we tell? Sorry. This formula will tell us about how many ohms of resistor we have to use in a circuit. Right? So I am telling that use this resistor. Right? What the answer is? 300 ohm resistor. So how can you say that this resistor is a 300 ohm resistor? I am saying that it is a 100 ohm resistor. It is a 100 ohm resistor. But how can we find out that whether this resistor is a 100 ohm resistor? Very good answer. Once again repeat it. Colors. Right? Okay. Whereas in this resistor we have 3 colors or 4 colors. We will be having 4 colors. How many colors? 4 colors. Right, I'll show you here. So see here, we have brown color here. Brown color. Next black color. Again we have brown color. And again we have a gold color here. Okay, brown, black, brown and gold color. Okay. By seeing these colors, you can find out the resistor value. Right? Let us learn first of all how to find the values of these resistors. Okay, ma'am? So write down the colors. Any one of you come here? Okay, ma'am. See here. On the board. Don't write 1 here, right? Let us start with black. BLACK is equal to 0. Note down all of you. Black is equal to 0. Next color is brown. Brown 1. Red 2. Orange 3. Yellow 4. Come here. Green 5. Blue 6. Violet 7. Grey 8. White 9. Very good. Okay, man. These are the color code. What is it? Color code of it. And this is the symbol of resistor. This is symbol of resistor. What is the color spelling? C-O-L-O? What I wrote? That is correct or wrong? Wrong. Very good. We have two types of English. One is British English and one is American English. Right? So whereas in computers we will use C-O-L-O-R. Right? Instead of C-O-L-O-U-R. C-O-L-O-R or C-O-L-O-U-R both are same. Right? Color code of a resistor. Okay. So just you have to by heart these colors. By heart these colors. One, two, three, and 4 colors. Right? Okay. So now, first color is brown. Right? And second color is black. And third color is brown. Okay. So what you have to do is brown is nothing but 1, black 0, again brown 1. Right? Write down the same color like this 1, 0, and third color instead of writing a number. Right? Write there is many zeros. If you have 6 here, then what you will do? 6 zeros. Right? If you have 3, then 3 zeros. We have 1, that's why we are writing only 1 0. Right? The value is 100 ohms. The value is 100 ohms. Have you got it? First of all, you have to see the colors on a resistor. Right? So brown, black, brown. Right? So 1, 0, 1. The next, write down the first value here. First value here 1. The second value. And third value, whatever the value you have here, those many zeros you have to write down here. Right? If you have 3, then write down 3 zeros. If you have 2, then write down 2 zeros. We have 1, then we wrote only 1 0. The total answer is 100. So it will be 100 ohms. It will be 100 ohms of resistor. Okay. Can you connect that 100 ohm resistor in a circuit? See, we have how many volts of battery we have? 6 volts of battery, and we have an LED. Right? That is symbol of LED. So I am connecting a resistor now, and I am connecting it to this one end. Right? The another end I am connecting from the negative side directly to the LED. Directly to the LED. Then does it glow? Yes. Well, because we have 6 volt battery, right? And we have a resistor. How many ohms of resistor we have? 300 ohms of resistor. How many ohms of resistor we have? Then does it glow? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yeah. Very good. Then I have only how many ohms of resistor we have? I have only 100 ohms of resistor. How many ohms of resistor I have? 100. If you connect this 100 ohm resistor here, then what happens? How many ohms of resistor we have? 100 ohm resistor we have, right? if you connect this resistor here instead of 300, right, what happens? It will not glow. Why? Let us see. Instead of this 300, if you use only 100 ohm resistor, how many volts we require here? 2 volts. And how many milliamps we require? 20 milliamps we require. Right? How many milliamps is reaching to this point now if you use 100 ohm resistor? ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తానండి. ఇక్కడ 300 ohm resistor మనం కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. రైట్? ఒకవేళ 100 ohm resistor యూజ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? అది ఎలాగో వెలగదు. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ 2 volts కావాలి, 20 milliamps కావాలి. 20 milliamps కావాలి. సో 20 milliamps కావాలి అంటే మన ఇక్కడ 300 ohms రెసిస్టర్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. అంతే కదా? ఎంత యూజ్ చేయాలి? 300 ohm రెసిస్టర్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ నేను 100 ohm రెసిస్టర్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఏమైంది? అక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుందని తెలవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? I వాల్యూ తెలియదు. వాట్ యూ హావ్ టు ఫైండ్? I వాల్యూ. సో అగైన్ ఫార్ములా V by I into R. I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to what is V? 6 and R is 100 ohms. R is 100 ohms. So I is equal to how much? 6 divided by 100. 0.06. Right? How many? How much I we required here? We required only I is equal to 0.02. We required 0.02. Right? See here, 20 milliamps is nothing but 0.02. This is our requirement. This is our requirement. Right? If you use 100 ohm resistor, then it is supplying 0.06 of current. It is supplying 0.06 current. Right? ఇక్కడ మనకు కావాల్సింది 0.02 కావాలి. బట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి 0.06 వస్తుంది కదా. 0.06 means 0.06 అంటే ఎంత? 0.02 అంటే 20 milliamps కదా. 0.02 అంటే ఎంత? 20 milliamps. ఒకవేళ మనకు 0.06 వస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 60 milliamps వస్తుంది. 60 milliamps.